Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary with a quick Land Rover tutorial. This was actually a requested video. Somebody said they were having trouble gaining access to the third row, having a little trouble with the controls. And the controls are right down here. You can see that down and up arrow, and it shows you that little graphic on the bottom that lets you know it's for moving the seats back and forth. Now let me give you a quick little bit of advice on this. Here's the thing. To bring the seats up, you touch the button one time. So I'm going to let my cameraman push that button one time, and he's just going to push that and do nothing else. And you can see how easily everything goes. It's not super quick, but it's not too bad. Now, that's out of the way, so you can gain access to the third row very easily that way. To put the seats back, there is a little bit of a difference, and that's that you have to hold the button down in order to do that. In fact, I'm going to bring mine up like this, just so I can show you real fast here. We'll bring it up, and I'm going to show you what happens. So the seat is now up, and you can see I'm going to hold the button down. When I let go of it, notice the seat stops. So if I hold that button down until the seat is all the way back in place, and you can see that happens very quickly, then it's not a problem. So that is a little bit of a difference between those two buttons, but I hope that helps out. All you have to do is push that button one time, seats are gonna get up and out of the way, hold that button down on the top, they come back down, and you're good to go. If you have another tutorial you would like to request on the 2026 Range Rover, let me know down in the comments, and I'll make that happen for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.